Property tour of 239 Ashton Lane. Located in McCall, Idaho. Mountain town life and lake town life are what you get in McCall, Idaho. McCall is a small mountain town that is positioned with access to 2 lakes and 2 ski hills. This home in particular is located near Jug Mountain Golf Course, which is golfing, mountain biking and Nordic ski trails that are easily accessible. McCall is a town that caters to every outdoor activity imaginable. The home was built around 1917 and thoughtfully remodeled in 2018 to maintain the integrity of the homestead. The 2,839 square feet include a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom, office, open kitchen to living area, and a family room in the basement which always maintains a comfortable temperature. The home is situated on an aquifer that provides the best water to taste or to soak in after a day full of outdoor activities.